Sometimes you want a graphic that you can't find, and thankfully Inkscape offers a few ways to make your own. The simplest is by using multiple primitive shapes to create more complex ones, which you can do via various options listed under the Path menu. From here, you can combine shapes using Union. You can cut one shape from another by selecting the one you want to keep, and then shift-clicking the one you want to remove, and then using Difference. You can keep just the area that two shapes overlap using Intersection. Or just the bits they don't overlap using Exclusion. You can also use one shape to cut parts of another shape so that you can move or recolor segments of it using Division. You can combine these methods to build up some pretty complex forms, but if you want even more flexibility, it's time to look at Bezier curves. With this tool, you can draw straight lines by left-clicking to form your first point, and then clicking again to form a line between it and the second point. Then you can click again to form another connected line. And you can also make curves by clicking and dragging a new point, and then releasing your mouse when you like the look of the curve. You can also close a shape by clicking the first point once more. You can then edit your shape using the Node Edit tool. We can now click on these points and move their handles. You'll notice we can now move one handle to be longer and one to be short, which allows us to further refine our shapes. But say we have a curve here and we would rather a corner. We can change it using this button. I can now drag this handle to make a corner. Similarly, we can convert corners to straights again using this option, or to an equal straight using this one. If you have a hand-drawn picture, you can scan that in and import it, and then trace it over with a Bezier curve to make your graphic. That can be a really good way to get a feel for things when you're just starting out with Bezier curves. G'day! Please like, share, subscribe, hit that bell icon, and share me around. If you have any questions about this content, or you just want to hang out, I have Twitter, Patreon, Discord, and a website. See you later!